Hi there. Today we're going to talk about using Accessia Cloud Converter to migrate S2 NetBox to the Accessia Cloud platform. This brings many benefits, including ease of use, remote monitoring, remote management, and access to the wider Accessia ecosystem, including visitor management. So what we have here is our Accessia Cloud Converter, and we're going to replace the node blade that's inside the S2 NetBox enclosure with this one. So let's dive in and take a look. So here we have a node blade, and I'm going to start off by just disconnecting all of the existing connectors, but importantly, leaving all of the existing application blades and their wiring in place and intact. So this is actually a really easy, quick migration. So now I've disconnected all the connectors from the node blade. This can just come right out. And in goes my Accessia Cloud Converter, which fits the S2 enclosure perfectly, and that can just screw right in like that. And we're gonna, again, use the exact same ribbon cable, secure that in place, apply power, apply network. So we've kept a lot of commonality with the existing hardware for ease of migration. So see how quick that was. So what we have here is some example hardware. We've got a reader and Rex button, and that's connected to the access control blade on channel 1 there. So as the system boots up, we're going to see it connect to the Accessia Cloud, and our hardware is going to come to life. So our system's booted up, and readers are live. And we can see here on our events page, live on the Accessia Cloud, this is connected over Wi-Fi, and we're going to see that when I tap my card, that's going to instantly come through on our events table. And again, when I use the request to exit button, that comes straight through on the events table over the Accessia Cloud. This is really powerful because it also means we can do remote unlocks from the Accessia mobile app. So again, when I find the door that I want to open, I can click unlock here, and it sends a remote unlock command, and that's come straight through. And I think you heard that relay click as well. So there we have it. That was such a quick, easy migration to the Accessia Cloud by taking out the S2 NetBox node blade. You're migrated onto our cloud just like that, and you get to take advantage of all the Accessia Cloud benefits, including automatic upgrades, remote management from anywhere, remote monitoring, and the wider Accessia product portfolio. Thanks very much for watching.